Now, which one of you stole Mrs. Gilda's nice cookie pastries?
Objection! I didn't do it. I was just trying to help her nanny her kids. Yeah, she was just trying to help me. Well, of course, I certainly couldn't do it because I made the cookies, so why would I have stolen one? Looks like we've got a little twist here. You two look suspicious. Are you sure it's not any of you? No, Your Honor, I didn't do it. I'm one of her assistants. I helped her make the cookies. Of course, I couldn't have stolen one. Show me your pockets, everyone. Look, see, there's nothing in my pockets. Mine either. There's nothing in our pockets either. Not in us. Wait a second. The only person who hasn't cleared out their pockets is Heather. Heather, did you steal the pastries? No, I didn't do it. I couldn't have. You sound suspicious. Yeah. I think since you yelled yeah, then I think you're also suspicious too. Objection. I don't think that either. Whoa, yeah, I'm definitely not on her side. I'm with her. Alrighty. Then, show me all of your pockets. Let me double check. See? I can't even get in my pockets. Good. Okay. Then, everybody's falling over. I've got to go. I'm too upset to be with a ton of people. Who stole my cookies? Well, I didn't. Me neither too. I think you two are guilty. You guys must have stolen the cookies. What? No, I couldn't have done it. I'm with the pastry chef. I'm right? I'm with the pastry chef. Then what's that peeking out of your pockets? Huh? Oh, that's just my tie tag. That's just my tush tag, see? Let me see that. It's the cookie pastry. I didn't do it. She let me keep one. It's true. I did. I did let her keep a tush tag. I did let her keep a tush tag cookie. Am I right, Rosette? Yes, she's completely right. But the only one who hasn't emptied their pockets yet is you, Heather. Miss Heather, I sentence you to tell me the truth. Did you steal the cookie tush tag? No, Your Honor, I didn't. Then let me see. Come here now. Okay. Okay, I believe you. You don't have the tush tag cookie. Okay. Then, wait a second. Do you kids have pockets? Oh, sorry, Rosette and Gilda. No, we don't have pockets. Yeah, we don't have pockets. I want you guys to show me what you guys have. Do we have to, Selden? I think we should. Otherwise, we will get in huge trouble. Alrighty then. Okay. We stole the cookies. My cookies! You children have no right to do that. I want you guys to be sentenced for punishment. Objection. They didn't mean to. Now that you guys have stolen the cookies, even though you're too young to go to jail or prison or any reason whatsoever, I'll just give her a couple dollars because you guys, if you stole the cookies, you guys will just have to pay. Okay, we could pay. We could pay. All right then, you've got to pay her for the cookies. They're $3 each. Okay, here's your $3 bucks. Cha-ching! Cha-ching! Thank you. Now everybody, the courtyard's adjourned.